99 lives, by the way. Good stuff. If you're watching this, man, I love your content. Oh! So right now we're currently in their blind spot, but when the guy actually shifts over to us, we were side by side. So there's really no excuse for the driver in this vehicle to not just look right real quick. Because if that driver was just even looking at their side mirror on the right side, they should have seen us. But why did they not? Could it be inattentional blindness, motion-induced blindness, the familiarity check? There's just so many things that could have been the reason why they didn't see us. So what is it we can do for, let's say, most of the ride? I know you guys can't stay away from vehicles the whole time because there's traffic. But for most of your ride, constantly accelerate, decelerate, switch positions so that you're never near a vehicle. Never near a vehicle. Try your best. Like, that is your goal. I'm going to send you guys out on a task this week. Try your best to either accelerate within the speed limit or decelerate or switch lanes, move positions, plan your route, position yourself for safety. And here's the thing, for an escape path, for a space cushion, for line of sight. This is all I want you to do in that positioning for safety this week. This is your test. This is your homework. Just position yourself for safety for space cushion. I want you just to try that out. I want you to consistently, if a car gets next to you, move over the next lane or move over a different lane position. If a car slows down in front of you for space cushion, I want you to slow down, maybe switch lanes after you do head checks. That is all I want you to focus on and try to do. If you can already do all three, great, go ahead. But if you're new to this, please, just at minimum, position yourself for the best space cushion possible from anything around you. Try it out. So this is, it's like, why did he not see us? I don't know. But here's the thing. Why are we next to the vehicle? Okay. So once again, we can't judge the person. We can't judge the rider. But that's why I want you guys to practice your space cushion this week. Okay. At this position, okay, this is where we have to still plan, right? So position for safety, locate hazards, adapt to those hazards. Well, guess what? This is not a hazard anymore. We located a hazard, but it became a threat. So we have to navigate the threat. So we could do one of two things, because we can't swerve left because we're going to hit the vehicle. We can't swerve right because we're going to hit a pole or the sidewalk. The only thing we can do is accelerate or decelerate. That's all we can do. So accelerate. Geez, what the heck was that? Accelerate or decelerate. That's all we can do because our left and right were taken from us from external things, okay? Why are we honking the horn? Why is that our emergency response? When I talk to you guys about red stage maneuvers, the red stage maneuvers is your emergency response. Your emergency response never involves a horn. And I have a feeling that the reason why we're doing this is because we haven't practiced our emergency responses. We haven't practiced our swerving. We haven't practiced our braking in a parking lot. We haven't done that. You can check it out, ddfmcrew.com. Free resources for some of those things. Check out this channel. You can check out the Motorcycle Training Concepts channel. The Motorcycle Training Concepts channel is the channel that I created because I've been doing only after action reviews on this channel. I wanted you guys still to have the on bike stuff. So I moved all my on bike stuff to that channel. And now I'm doing parking lot exercises. I'm doing, 5 tips, 5 principles of a good motorcycle rider. I did what not to wear. I got more videos coming up on that channel that is on bike, more structured in terms of let's ride around versus this one where I'm telling you why and how, okay? So honking the horn is not going to be the thing that you should be doing. You should be doing either acceleration or deceleration in this situation.